Hi everyone, so I am back today with yet another unboxing video, and today will be this right here. This is the 3rd generation CARAT kit. It's the official fan club kit. I know a lot of people in Korea already got theirs and some people in other countries already got theirs too, and there has been a situation going on with like similar to last year where people are getting incorrect like membership cards. Anyways, we'll get into that in a second. First of all, I want to say I'm sorry for not posting for a while. The videos that I have posted were filmed way before my trip actually, so you get to see me now after my trip. I don't know if you can tell, but you can see my hands compared to my face. Like, it's so much tanner. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, like I am different shades of yellow now, but I'm trying to match my foundation to my neck and the rest of my body. I'm covering my body right now. This is the darkest foundation that I kind of have right now, so I'm trying to figure that situation out. Either I have to wait to untan or I'm just gonna have to keep buying darker foundations. I don't know right now. And you're probably thinking, Nancy, you're wearing a hoodie right now. It's August, why are you wearing a hoodie? It's because where I'm living right now, it's kind of chilly. It's starting to become like autumn already. I know it's still summer, but where I'm living in Canada is like kind of chilly. We're also having this smoke situation come in, so it's kind of gloomy. So if there are lighting situation problems throughout this whole video, I apologize in advance as per usual. So let's get into it and let's start opening this up. The box compared to last year is slightly bigger and it feels heavier. I feel like the CARAT kit this year, the box is much bigger. I can grab the other box and compare it in a second. I forgot to mention, I'm filming in this corner of my room right now because the rest of my room is utterly like destroyed and trashed right now. I have not been able to clean up my room. I've just been working and like I'm just a slob. Okay, right here I have last year's CARAT kit. This is the 2nd gen one, and I'll compare it with the current one. So I don't know if you guys see this right now, but this is the 3rd gen and this is the 2nd gen. So height wise, pretty similar, but if you can see the thickness wise, the reason being is because of the contents inside, and we'll get to that. And before people start asking in the comment section how to get this, how to get this, how to get this, I made a video about it on how to sign up for it, but unfortunately if you want this specific one, the 3rd generation kit, there is no way you can get it unless you buy it off someone, because there is a recruitment period every year, generally around March to May. It's typically April to May, and that's when you have to pay for the membership and then you get access to certain parts of the fan cafe, and you also get this perk. But I will link the video on how to do it so you can be prepared for next year if you want to get the membership for next year. So I'm just gonna take off the plastic packaging because we do not need that right now. I'm gonna cover this up, but on the side here, they actually put your name. I don't think you guys can see that. I'm covering my numbers and my name, but they do have little numbers and your name on there to identify whose package this is, which is actually nicer. I think they wanted to do that because they didn't want to mix up the membership packages or something like that. I know last year, I'm sorry, I'm just comparing it with last year because it is slightly different. Last year there was this little slot right here, and underneath they placed your membership card. When they did that, it was easy for them to identify and ship it out. So I think last year was less, how do you say it? There was less mistakes in sending out the correct membership cards, because this year they just placed a sticker on the side, so inside contents could still be mixed up. Anyways, so this is the front. It is again holographic saying CARAT, and underneath says 17 official fan club 3rd CARAT, and on the side it just says SVT. And sorry for the shadows, I'm filming with natural light and the camera is making shadows right now. Honestly, there is nothing really else to this box besides a sticker on the side, and there's nothing at the back. So opening it up, we're gonna try to see if I can open this up in front of you guys. There will be close-up shots of everything, so fear not. Right now is not the best angle to film at. Okay, they sent me the right card. Oh, thank gosh. So empty slipcover. The first thing you get is your CARAT card, and I am covering mine up and you will see a close-up of it. It is a holographic printed card. The card itself is a silver. I'm gonna take it out. On the top left corner, it has your CARAT number, which I'm covering up. And then the bottom left corner is your name, and the bottom right corner actually is your birthday, which is actually really cute. I don't think you guys want to see all my information, but that is kind of cool. And at the back, it has information about the 3rd generation CARAT for the fan club. It has links to all their social media platforms and stuff like that. Okay, so we're getting to this part. Honestly, the packaging needs to be a little bit better. So there's only one hole where you're supposed to pull up, but it made me bend the cardboard on the side here. So after you take that off, so again, this is the diamond right there underneath with the pink, the rose quartz kind of color. And then, ta-da, we have all the goodies. So we will go through them one by one. We're gonna start off with the biggest thing in here, which is the 17 tumbler. In here comes with a straw as well. And this is supposed to go in that. I'm gonna open it, actually. But I will do close-ups of all of these. I keep saying that even though I'm going to be inserting them anyways. I always annoy myself whenever I'm editing a video and I'm like, and there'll be close-ups of it. Well, I'm already inserting them while I'm talking. So let's put this straw in here. This is super adorable. I can't wait to use this because, like, girl needs to stay hydrated. So on the side we have SVT, and then inside there's actually a bunch of glitters that say SVT as well. It is very difficult to see, but it is super adorable. It comes in a pink, which is my favorite color, and the font right here is blue. It's not rose quartz and serenity coloring, but it's very similar. Alright, in the next package here we do have some more stuff. The next thing is this, and I am so happy for this because it is holographic and is super gorgeous. I actually like this much better than last year's, which was a blue one. Let me try to see if I have it right over here. So this right here is last year's CARAT card with the card holder, and it is in a beautiful kind of babyish blue, super cute, with the holographic font similar to this year's. So if you guys can see right here, similar, but this card is silver. And this right here is super gorgeous. Oh my god. I'm gonna see if it looks nice put in. It comes with a little strap so you can hang your card holder as well. Okay, so the thing about this material is that it's very like plasticky feeling. I feel like I'm gonna snap this. Like, it's like a PVC kind of like filmy kind of material. Very flimsy, but it is super gorgeous. Let's put this on. Look at that. This right here also came with like a strap, like a lanyard strap, but I didn't put it on. It's black and woven, which is much better quality, but this one is super gorgeous. I just love it. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my goodness. So moving on to the next smallish kind of item are these photo cards right here, and you get all 13 members in here. I don't think there's a group card this year. I remember last year there was a group card, but this year there is none. So I will show you guys close-ups. The front is a member, very similar looking to last year's, and then on the back it just has their name. There's no signature or anything this year, I believe. So that's the slight variation. I'm gonna correct myself if I'm wrong, but on the back it is a holographic font again. Yes, we love a holographic kind of concept because it reminds us of diamonds. So I'm not waiting for the lighting to change and come back because I was waiting for a couple minutes, and this is what happens when you film with natural light. You are so dependent, like you pray that there's no clouds. Anywho, I will edit if it's like looking terrible. So this right here is a 17 official fan club like book. It has member information and stuff like that, so I will put close-ups and stuff. This is super cute. It just has member profile information, so it shows you the member, and then it also drew a schedule of what their day looks like. And at the back of here, I just already took a quick glance, they have various units, not various units, sorry, like member like pair-ups. It's not by unit or anything or age or whatever, it's just random mix. So for example, this one right here is Vernon, John, and Joshua, and at the back it's just them with the CARAT 3 balloons. So the very last thing in here, which I'm kind of upset about, is this. I'm not upset because of this item, I'm upset because look what happened to mine. It kind of got dented right here. It's not broken or anything, it's just dented. That just breaks my heart a little bit because it's already kind of like dented before I even used it. I don't even know if I'm planning on using this right here, but this right here is a photo card holder, a PC holder slash ticket holder. So I'll show you guys. This is a beautiful cardboard sleeve with a diamond cutout and CARAT holographic font again. On the side it is rose quartz and Smyrna themed, and it says say the name. Similar to last year's, it looks very similar to last year's in the sense of the what's called the fonts and the writing. So right here, SVT. On the side, I show you guys that, and then at the back it says the same thing as last year, I believe. Oh yes, I'm the diamond inimitable 17 karat. I can never say that word. Inimitable. There we go. Inimitable 17 karat. And inside, I will take out this styrofoam piece. So there are these PC holders, and they're not sticking to one another this year, which is super lovely. Last year you had to peel them apart. And then what's new this year is you get a ticket holder actually. So if you guys can see, there's 1, 2, 3 sections, and this is supposed to be for ticket holding, which I don't have any official tickets yet that are like from Korea and Japan. I've had like the ones that printed from Japan and Lawson, but that's different. It's not the same. So I counted just now, this can hold 48 PCs, and then this can hold up to 9 tickets. And I just want to emphasize how beautiful this cutout is. It is absolutely gorgeous. Good job, Lettuce. And thank you for not messing up my order, which is just the basic, like just don't mess it up. So this hoodie that I'm wearing right now isn't actually the official one because you can see the fit is quite nice and tighter. It is not super loose like the original hoodie. This is a replica that my friends and I made. They made it, I bought it from them and stuff like that. Anyway, so you guys can find probably a bunch of replicas online because this hoodie, the official one, is super expensive and hard to find. So yeah, I know a lot of people on Twitter are like we're doing group orders on them and stuff like that. I don't know if people are still interested in it anymore, but I'm pretty sure you can find it on Twitter or something, or even eBay. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope the close-ups look okay. I always say that because I remember a long time ago with a certain camera and certain lenses and stuff like that, it would always be out of focus and I wouldn't even notice it until I'm editing and stuff like that. But anyways, I hope you guys have a good day and I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you like this video, then give it a thumbs up if you want. But I'll see you guys. Bye!